Hello everyone, a quick update. Now since you are learning Spring Framework, which is one of the best framework available for Java, and most of the companies they are using Spring Framework. Now to enhance your learning experience, we are going to start a new course which will be a live course where I will be teaching you Spring live. So it will be a live interaction where I will be teaching you the concepts, and then if you have any questions, you can ask me there itself. So this course will be having a lot of assignments and they will be having a project work. The course is going to start from Jan. Now to get more details, you can check description area, you can find a link here as well. Now this will tell you the date from when we are going to start this batch. We'll also update about the time and then the syllabus. In fact, syllabus we have not talked about that. So the syllabus will have, of course, right, we are going to talk about Spring, but then we are going to do everything or most of the thing in Spring Boot. That's exciting, right? We are going to talk about Spring Core, Spring MVC, AOP, REST, and then most important, Spring Security. And then we have some extra surprises during the course. So that's what we're going to do in this course. The only thing is the timing is not fixed because everyone have their own priority. So we normally take 2 batches, in the morning in IST, in the evening in IST, so that people around the world they can learn from, they can choose whatever the time they have. But for this particular batch, I want you to help me with the timing. So tell me your preferable time. So you can find a link in description area. Just go there and it will give you a form. Enter your name, your email ID so that we can contact you. And then also mention the time which you are comfortable, the weekdays, weekends, or the morning time, evening time. So just tell me so that I can arrange the batch as per your requirement. But what if you don't have a time to attend the sessions every day or once in 2 days? What you can do is you can also go for a video course. Now this video course is different because all the sessions or all the videos will be recorded. Now these are not the recorded sessions, but then this will be specially made for you people to watch in short time. So I'll be recording all the videos in a good quality. I don't know if you have got the chance to watch my Python videos, which is uploaded on YouTube. So almost the same type of quality we are going to maintain for Spring as well. So it will be exciting because there will be a lot of animations which will be running around to teach you how Spring Framework works internally, right? So you can go for this video course as well. Again, if you're going for live course, you will get the access for this course for free, but then if you're only going for video course, you can join now. The only thing is this course has not started yet. Yes, we have announced that we are going to start this course. It will take some time for me to upload all these videos because we are going to make amazing content. So yes, the editing and the content creation is in the process now, so it will take maybe 2 weeks. But if you can wait for 2 weeks, you can buy this course later. But if you want to do it now, we are giving huge discount since the course is not started. But once we start uploading videos, the course price will go up. Of course, right, Spring Framework is such a big framework, it will take a lot of efforts to make that course. So I hope you're excited to start with other live course or video course. In fact, I'm excited to start with new year with a Spring course, which is one of the best framework. So that's it. Check the description area to get more idea, and that's it everyone. Thank you.